Hello guys, wait, have you been looking for a way on how to extract music from a video? Wait and stay calm to the end of this video because on this video I'm going to show you how you can extract music from a video without not trying to dub the music or any other thing. So we are going to use Inshot editing app to do that. Follow me. Let's go. First of all, you go to your Inshot. If you don't have Inshot, you go to your Play Store or Apple Store and download it. You click on video. When you click on video, you click plus. When you click plus, going to lead you to where you are going to what choose the video that you want to use. When you lead you to there, you choose the video when you want to use. When you choose the video, what next you are going to do? You click on this good there. When you click on it, you first of all you remove the watermark. It's free to remove. When you remove the watermark of InShot, you remove it. It have a Chrome version. Oh. So many features in it are Chrome. You pay monthly or yearly. Then you go to music. You click on that arrow. You click on extract. When you click on extract, you choose the music video you want to use. When you choose it, it will extract the audio immediately without you trying to dub or do any other thing. You can see on this my video that the music have been extract immediately without wasting of time. So this is easy and simple in short. No need of trying to dub the music out of the video. Just very simple. Get the music video you want, put it in InShot, add it on your video. That's fine. So remember to like, share, subscribe to my channel. If you are following me on Facebook, click the follow button to follow me. Remember to drop your comment. Thank you for watching.